So, good evening everyone. So, we're going to tackle shortcut key of Excel. So, the first one is we're going to define what is Excel all about. So, based on my research, Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. It is a spreadsheet program which contains a number of columns and rows, where each intersection of a column and row is a cell. That's what you call a cell. Oh, okay, so each cell contains one point of data or one piece of information. So now, we're going to elaborate more what are some examples of shortcut key of Excel. So the first one is press F2. So when you press F2, it will edit the selected cell. So, okay, just like on the picture below. Okay, the next one is press F5. So, when you press F5, it will go to a specific cell. Okay. Okay, so the next one is press F7. It will spell check selected text or document. Yan. So, the next one is press F11. So, when you press F11, it will create a chart. Okay. It's too basic, right? So, the next one is press Ctrl Shift. Okay, when you press Ctrl Shift, it will enter the current time. Okay. So, the next is press Ctrl Enter. It will enter the current date. Okay, the next one is press Alt Shift F1. So, when you press Alt Shift F1, it will insert new worksheet. You don't need to use your mouse to, you don't need to click. You don't have a lot of, hindi mo na kailangan mag-click pa ng madami dyan. I-press mo lang yung press Alt Shift F1 para magkaroon ng bagong worksheet. And then the next one naman is press Shift F3. It will open the Excel formula window. Yan. So, next naman tayo, press Shift F5. It will bring up the search box. Yan. Pag nag-Shift F5 ka, lalabas doon yung search box. Okay, the next one naman is press Ctrl A. It will select all contents of a worksheet. Yan. So, next naman tayo. Next is press Ctrl B. It will bold highlighted selection. Iyan, niya. Next is press Ctrl I. It will italize highlighted. I-italize niya daw yung mga hin-highlight mo na text sa Excel. Okay, the next one naman is press Ctrl C. Yan. So, parang sa PowerPoint lang din yan. It will copy the selected text. Next naman is press Ctrl V, of course. Ipipaste mo na yung kinapi mo na text. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl F. It will open find and replace options. Yan. Next naman is press Ctrl G. It will open go to options. Okay, the next one is press Ctrl H. It will open find and replace options. Okay, the next one is press Ctrl U. It will underline highlighted selection. Yan. So, the next is some examples again of Excel. Press Ctrl O. It will open options. Okay, the next one is press Ctrl N. It will open a new document. So, it's too basic, right? Okay, the next one is press Ctrl P. It will open print dialog box. You don't need to click the file and then click the print. Okay, you just only need to press Ctrl P. The next one is press Ctrl S. It will save the document. The next one is press Ctrl Z. It will undo the last action. Okay, the next one is press Ctrl F9. It will minimize the current window. Next is press Ctrl F10. It will maximize currently selected window. Okay, baliktaran lang siya. The next one is press Ctrl page up and page down. It will move between Excel worksheet in the same document. The next one is press Ctrl Tab. It will move between two or more open Excel files. The next is press Ctrl Shift. It will format number in comma format. The next one is press Ctrl Shift. It will format number in currency format. The next one is press Ctrl Shift. It will format number in date format. Okay, when you press Ctrl Shift number, it will format number in date format. The next one is press Ctrl Shift %. It will format number in percentage format. Yan, percent is a percentage. And the next one is press Ctrl Shift. It will format in scientific format. And the next one is press Ctrl Shift at. It will format number in time format. Next is press Ctrl right arrow. It will move to next section of text. The next one is press Ctrl space. It will select entire column. Yan. Press Shift space. It will select entire row. And then press Ctrl W. When you press Ctrl W in Excel, it will close the document. And so, thank you for watching our video. Thank you for giving time in our video. So, until next time, guys, thank you so much.